My name's Patrick. I'm with Noland Roofing. We've come out to this property of Mrs. Thomas. Very beautiful property. It's in progress. We've replaced the shingles already. This was a property affected by storm damage, which had some creased shingles and missing tabs that were broken out. Our inspector found it. We're doing a quality walk today in the in progress to check how things are going. This roof is a beautiful CertainTeed Reson shake, which the homeowner spent some time picking it out to go with the brick. We're going to be doing some siding, and there's some gutters that are going to be replaced on this house. This house here had some multiple pitches on it, made it a little bit more detailed work. You notice that we leave the downspouts in place. We leave that so that when the gutters guys come in to put the new gutters on, that they know where the downspouts were located so they don't have to remove them. They will remove those and put new downspouts up. Walking around, this is a very beautiful house with the brick. I'm looking at soffits and things. Sometimes these soffits underneath on your eaves will fall out, be displaced. I make sure that they didn't get knocked out. Everything's back up in place. We had to deal with this screen enclosure. The screen enclosure mounted to the wall underneath the roof, but where it connects to the house is what's called the super gutter. This is a structural component. It's normally not changed or moved during the install of the roof. Homes like this sometimes pose an issue when you're talking about walking all that material back over, because that's 10, 15, 20,000 pounds of roofing that had to come off this house. It is in progress, but we all work as a team, and let's pick up stuff and move along as we go around. We notice other things. We like to point out other issues for the homeowner. The inspectors, maybe if screens or windows, they're damaged or need some replacement, or maybe some caulking or sealant, just to make sure that they understand that there are things that, other than just roofing, that can affect their home. As we get back to the front of the house, we notice one more downspout that's hanging. They're going to be doing some siding here. If you notice where the rough siding is, right here along where this roof, this projection is, they're going to be repairing that. It's not repaired yet, it's still in progress. That's coming up. Miss Thomas is a wonderful lady, and I want to make sure she's taken care of. Call Noland's today. We'd love to help you out any way we can.